Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making some meatball sandwiches. So first, I'm gonna make my meatballs. This is Italian breadcrumbs. I'm gonna add an egg, a beaten egg. And these are some seasoning. This is Italian seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. Right here I have some salt and pepper. And a little bit of milk. And I'm going to mix all this together. So now right here I have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. This is 80-20, and I'm adding my breadcrumb mixture. Now I'm going to mix everything together. So I'm making my meatballs, and I'm trying to see what size to explain. Smaller than an ice cream scoop. So these are my meatballs. I was able to get 18 meatballs. I have a 400-degree oven preheated, and I'm going to cook these 20 to 30 minutes until they are cooked through. So I just took my meatballs out of my oven. 400 degrees, 20 minutes, and look at this, just about medium, okay? If you ask me where I got that little thing, I have no idea. I think I got it in a Ross or one of those kind of stores, but it tells me just by the picture, rare, medium, or well done. Okay, so now let's start on our sauce. So first I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil to a hot pan. Now I'm going to start cooking up some onions. I'm going to cook those for about 2 minutes so they get translucent. Next I'm going to add some garlic. Let that cook for about a minute. Now I'm going to add 3 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce. This is diced tomatoes. Right here I have tomato paste. 1 small can. I'm adding my seasonings. I'm adding a little bit of sugar and a little bit of chili flakes. And now I'm going to mix this together and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes so that all these good flavors combine. So here's my sauce, and it is very, very good. So we're going to start putting our meatball sandwich together. So check this out, you guys. I have this big, giant French roll. Believe it or not, I got it at one of those Mexican markets. They're called Bollios. I love them. They're French rolls, basically. So I'm cutting it in half, and I'm going to use this for my meatball sandwich. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slightly hollow it out a little bit inside. Just a little bit. Just so that I can hold some of my meatballs in here. So now let me get some meatballs. Okay. I'm going to grab some of my meatballs. I think I'll do about 3 per sandwich. I think that's pretty nice. Now let's come over here and get some of this good sauce. And bring it on, and oh my goodness. So I transferred my sandwich to my little baking dish because I am going to have to put this in an oven to allow all this good cheese to melt. and my bread to toast. Oh my goodness, isn't this looking good? Okay, I have a 400-degree oven, and I'm going to put it in there for about 5 to 8 minutes. I'll keep an eye on it. Okay, you guys, this is my homemade meatball sandwich. Lots of melted cheese, homemade marinara sauce. Yummy! My meatballs are very tender. Can't wait to dig in. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.